Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use split screen on Windows. Whether you're multitasking, studying, or just tired of flipping between windows, this trick will save you a ton of time. All right, so the easiest way to split your screen is with something called Snap Assist. Here's how it works. Just click and hold the top of any window, like your browser or File Explorer, and drag it to the left or right edge of the screen. As soon as it hits the edge, you'll see a faint outline showing you where the window will snap. Let go of the mouse, and boom, it locks into place. On the other side, Windows will show you your other open apps. Just click one and it'll fill the other half of the screen. Now you're officially multitasking. Want to do it even faster? Just click on any window, then press Windows key plus left arrow to snap it left. Windows key plus right arrow to snap it right. You can also hit Windows up or down after snapping to move it into the top or bottom of the screen. Oh, and one more thing. If you hover your mouse over the little square Maximize button in the top right of any window, Windows 11 shows you preset layouts, 2 side-by-side, 3 columns, or even a big one on the left and 2 stacked on the right. Just click the layout you want and your window will snap right into place. No dragging, no guessing. Super clean. And that's it. If this video helped you out, give it a quick like. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want more tech tips like this, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.